Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to search the entire workbook in Microsoft Excel. Usually if you want to search, we press CTRL+F and here is our find and replace pop-up box. If we try to find something, we write that in find what and click find next. So it's searching in sheet 2, but I have the same data in sheet 2 which it didn't show me. Okay, if I click back to the master file and if I click on find all, see, it didn't show me the content of sheet 2. So if I want to search the entire workbook, I will have to change some settings. Okay, so let's learn how to do that. Control F, and when you see the find and replace pop-up box, click on option. Now take a look at here within, click on the drop down link and select the workbook and now find next. So you can now search the entire workbook. Okay, so we are in the master workbook and we are looking for sheet 2. See, the sheet has been changed, and if I click find all, we are getting two results here, one in the master worksheet and the second one is in sheet 2. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and please share this video with your friends.